So make sure you have both these books on hand all the time. Cooking Around the World with Chef Des and The Best in Your Kitchen. I really appreciate your support. If you can do that, you can always order from my website or from Amazon worldwide. Hey, send it as a gift to somebody. That'd be great. You can send it anywhere in the world. Here's what I want to say about lamb is, man, I'm all about supporting local. I love supporting local, but the one thing I don't support local is local lamb. I have never found a local lamb that tastes good. So maybe the people that are doing beef, maybe that's what's happened. You've had just local lamb and you think, well, it tastes really gamey. I don't want to go with that. I don't like lamb. Try lamb from New Zealand or Australia. Man, they know how to do lamb and their lamb is awesome. And if you're still unsure, maybe you had New Zealand lamb or Australian lamb, you're still like, well, I just don't like lamb. Here's what I want you to do. If you ever feel adventurous and you maybe want to move beyond that and start appreciating lamb, in The Best in Your Kitchen, there's a recipe called stewed leg of lamb. I think it calls for a boneless leg of lamb. And follow that recipe to the T. And I'm telling you, it is so good. I have fed that to people that are quote unquote lamb haters, and they turn around and say, wow, I would eat that every day. So keep that in mind. Again, look for it in The Best in Your Kitchen, stewed leg of lamb. And I'm telling you, it is so tender and beautiful. And the flavors in that recipe are just bang on. And it's so good. So humor me one day, okay? And try that and send me a message once you've done that. Let's get busy.